Does the Honda CR-V 2012-2014 have the Apple CarPlay? This is the question I am asked really much. So no, it doesn't have the Apple CarPlay or Android Auto on its navigation screen. You can see that this is a touch screen, but it has not a lot of options, and here you don't have the option of connecting your phone and using the applications from your phone. It has the built-in navigation system from Honda that you need to update through the flash drive or the CD, and as far as I know, the 2021 was the last update for this navigation system, so it's quite outdated. And I don't use it actually. I use my phone. I put it somewhere in my car and use the navigation system from Google Maps or any other apps. And it has the audio menu that you use to control your audio, like radio, or if you have the Bluetooth connection, you will also control it here. And you have some information about your vehicle, but it's very limited. So this is a 2014 Honda CR-V, and you don't have a lot of useful information on this screen. And unfortunately, this is impossible to install Apple CarPlay here. The only way you can do this is to change the whole module. You can buy the entire module with another screen, another system built in it, and it will have the Android, for example, or some other operating system, and you will be able to use Android Auto or Apple CarPlay and whatever other things you want to use.